Outre has done it again. They have come again for our coins. They do not care. I keep telling y'all, pandemic or no pandemic, Outre, they just don't care. Welcome back to the channel. So today I am super excited because I am doing a collab, and I also have a new wig from Outre Perfect Hairline collection to show you, ladies and gentlemen. So today we are doing a collab with Miss Tasha. Yay! So she is a YouTuber here. She does a couple different things over on her channel. I found her from another fellow YouTuber here on the YT. I'm sure they did a collab or something like that. And anyway, over the end of last year going into this year, I started watching her content a little more. She is very supportive of other YouTubers on here.
I'm here to introduce myself. My name is Hove. No, my name ain't Hove. My name is Tasha. Okay, my name is Tasha. On YouTube, Tasha Society. Instagram, Tasha Society. Facebook, Tasha Society. Guys, I'm Tasha Society all over the world. It's Tasha Society, okay? Guys, I want to first thank my sis, Beautiebymark, for collaborating with little me. I truly appreciate you. Beautiebymark is amazing. Her name, Beautiebymark, signifies her. She is super beautiful. She is talented. She is consistent. And she does her dang thing. And she's a mama. And she works. And be throwing out videos like crazy, okay? Sis is doing her thing on YouTube. She is everything to me. Alright? So after you watch my sis Beautiebymark, come right over here. Come over here to Tasha Society. Tasha Society, as I talk about this unit. Baby. Baby. So guys, I appreciate you guys again. Thank you, sis Beautiebymark, for having little old me. And yeah, I hope to see you here after you watch my sis Beautiebymark slay this unit. Period.
Thank her again for collab with me today. I cannot wait to see what she has. She always does a great job over there on her channel. She does a couple different things in her lives. I love that she does shout outs and like YouTube tributes to other YouTubers. It's really nice, and you know, it's just good to have somebody who genuinely, you know, support other people. You know, I just love that about her. So anyway, I asked her to collab with me today, and she did. I'm celebrating 3 years here on YouTube. You guys know I have been collabing all month long, so thank y'all so much. If you guys are here from her channel, I appreciate you guys stopping by. My name is Markeisha. I bring you beauty content. That means everything. However, most of my content here is going to be synthetic wigs. So if you like wig reviews, you guys are going to love it. I have over 400 videos here, so you guys will have something definitely for you to watch and catch up on over here on the channel. So I bring videos a couple times a week. If you guys have not, after you watch this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. So as I said, today she and I, we're going to give you guys a wig review. The wig I'm going to be reviewing today is this one here. This one is new from Perfect Hairline, and it is Cheyenne. I do have this wig in 2 colors. I am going to make sure, or try to make sure, I leave timestamps below so you guys can use the timestamps. Whenever I do these kind of wigs, I like to take my time and explain to you guys the wig. So I know sometimes the reviews seem a little bit longer, and that's because before you go spend $50, $40 on a synthetic wig, I want you to know, is it worth it? Like, you know, is it beginner friendly? How the lace quality is, you know, does it fuzz, does it shed? All the things I feel like you would need to know to be able to spend your coins and be like, okay, I spent some money on a decent wig. So today we're having 2 wigs to review. It is a little bit longer, but I wanted to put both of them on and not just show it to you. So I did go ahead on and I put both of them on. So here, after I give you the review, I'm going to go into some details at the end. You guys may want to stay tuned for that. I try to go through it with the voiceover, but a lot of times I can't go through everything, so I'll think of things at the end. So go ahead on and stay tuned for that. Returning subscribers, how are you guys doing? Thank y'all so much for coming back. You guys know y'all the MVPs over here. I appreciate you guys loving me so much because I love you guys. Thank you for showing up. So let's go ahead on and let's get into this wig review right now. I'm super duper excited. Let's go. So today we have the one Cheyenne, and I'm super excited about this one because this one here, when I looked at it on the model, it kind of put me in mind of, I want to say, AIRELLA, and I love that wig. So we do have the wig in 2 different colors. So the first color that we have is going to be DR Chocolate Cream, and then the next color that we have is going to be DRFF Golden Honey. So this one does come with a faux scalp, and y'all know I do not like faux scalps, pearls, or grafts. I don't like them. So what I end up doing is I have one of them that I took the faux scalp out on, and then I have one that I left the faux scalp in. For those who are like, okay, I just want to leave my faux scalp in, I don't want to have to cut it out and take the risk of potentially damaging the wig. So here is the care cards, and they look great on the models. Okay, so this is the DR chocolate cream color, and as you guys can see, the color is really pretty. I'm not sure if it's one that really pops with my skin. I keep looking in the mirror, I don't know. I mean, I think it's pretty, but it's like the tones in it, I don't know if it looks good like on me. You guys let me know if you like this color on me. I didn't put it all the way down, obviously, because I have to put the other wig on, and I think I'm gonna lay that one down or whatever. But this wig is really pretty, and it pretty much puts me in mind of AIRELLA. Like, everything about this wig screams AIRELLA, except it's slightly a thinner density to the wig, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I mean, let me stand up so you can see where it comes on me. It comes like all the way to like my butt, basically. So it comes all the way down here, and this is how it looks in the back. And like I said, I think that it's really pretty. It just puts me in my AIRELLA. Yeah, it's like they made the same wig, except AIRELLA did not have a faux scalp, so that's that. And this one does, but the curls on this, I keep looking at AIRELLA because I keep her over on the mannequin, and it's just, the curls are really pretty. Everything's really pretty. It's very lightweight. Yeah, I like it. Now the faux scalp doesn't look that bad because we're not like going through it, but if we were to, you know, go through it, we might see it. What I ended up doing was cutting it right at the front here. As you guys saw, I cut it right at the front, so that way that faux scalp would not be seen. You don't see it much over here on the side. Also, I did a part just something like that. You know, obviously you can switch up the part and everything. I put some couple pieces down over here just so you can kind of see how it could look on that side. But all in all, it's really pretty. Let's go ahead and want to get on the other color, and then you guys tell me which color you like better. I think I'm going to like the golden amber color better, just because I like blondes and I like something that's a little bit more vibrant and more bright.
Guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now this here is the golden amber color. So what I ended up doing with this one is I wanted to go ahead and get that hairline molded in back. So I went ahead and used my hot comb and some mousse to go ahead and get this hairline back. Now the hairline is kind of thick. It could be more pre-plucked, so if you want it pre-plucked, obviously you can go ahead and pluck it some more. So what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut off the lace. I end up using a razor and scissors this time, just taking my time and go ahead and cutting it off just so it can be a little more natural and jagged around the edges. Now the lace is light on this one, so it's like the HD, so you do have to go in and kind of tint a little bit. So what I end up doing is I use some of my makeup to tint it, and the powder makeup was what I used to get it tinted. I did do that off camera. So as you can see, getting down the sides is always the problem, so I did use some of my bowl hold to put the sides down, but the rest of it I just went ahead and used the spray with it, and it was just fine. And that's the bed head spray, so yeah, it held down pretty good. So then after that, of course, you don't want to just tie it down a little bit, because that's gonna like let it set. I let it stay tied down for like 20 minutes, did a couple other things, and then came back and then went ahead and took those baby hairs and took them with some mousse and just molded them the way that I wanted to. This always takes some time to me, because sometimes I feel like I don't get it perfect, but at any rate, it works out. So went ahead on and molded those down and got them down real good. I am jamming, you guys, by the way. So after I did that, then you see I have a wider scarf, and I went in and I tied that down.
This is the golden amber one, and girlfriend, bruh, no plication needed. I think I like this color better. I just like these brighter colors on me. This one here just looks good. Hairline on this came out pretty good, you guys. Yeah, I ended up doing some bigger swoops, and this comes down really far. I probably could have cut right here some more to kind of get that cut up a little bit. So yeah, same thing on that side. It's pretty long, so you do get a lot. Take that in, and I put it going back. Again, I pretty much did this one like I did Ariel, and I really feel like the colors are super close. So if you were not able to get that strawberry color, this one here will suffice. So this one I didn't put a part in. I just went ahead on and just kind of flipped it over. You can flip it to either side and kind of wear it to either, you know, either side you wish, but or in the middle, or you can do a defined part. I think that I just like this color better. So this is Ariel and this is Cheyenne, and as you can see, they are sisters. The curl pattern is pretty much the same at the top right here. The only difference is the back of this one, the curl pattern stays the same and it's shorter. This one here is a lot longer. This color here does have a little bit more bright in it, and this one's like toned down, but they're pretty much about the same color. So pros and cons when it comes to this wig, really I don't have any cons on this wig, you guys. I feel like this wig is gorgeous. I feel like it's beautiful, especially in this color. Other colors are going to be, I think, pretty as well. You definitely can get a good lay. You can get a good hairline. I feel like the hairline on Ariella was better, but this one here is still good. Maybe because it didn't have the dark root and so I couldn't see it as much, but that one did blend in with my skin. I feel like this one here you can, you know, see I put in some work. So I don't know, you guys let me know, do you like it with the dark root or do you like Ariella without the dark root? Other than that, I mean, besides it having the two different textures or curl patterns, I think it's okay. Like, you can't really tell it, you see, but it is there. This one has me hyped because I know so many people wanted Ariella in that last color, in that strawberry gold or something like that color, and I mean I was getting hit up left and right about it, and they just sold out and they didn't make that color anymore in that wig. This here is a viable option for you. It is so pretty, you guys. It's really pretty. I love the curls on this. Now this one is longer, as I have mentioned multiple times, but I feel like, sis, if you're gonna have some big hair, you know, just go and make it long. Who cares? You're gonna look good. Who cares? Who cares? It's gonna be pretty. So other than that, other than the curl patterns and, you know, it being long hair, that's pretty much all I got for you, because everything else on this one is beautiful. Again, like I said, you can't tell me nothing on this one. I really love it. I think she's gorgeous. Look at that. And I do like the dark root on this. I feel like the dark root, they blended it so well that, yeah, it's not too much. It's not harsh. So I love that about it. I like the curl pattern. I'm not upset with it being two different ones. I just mentioned that in case somebody else, you know, get it and they be like, oh, no one said that. Other than that, just besides it being big, you can use your wig grip with it. So for us girls like me that's got this big old head, this jug head, we're going to like that. It's not too tight. So yeah, tell me which color you guys like better on me. I'm going to go for this one. Let me know if you like this one or not. This will pretty much complete my review on this. Don't forget to go over and check out Tasha. Her channel here is tachassociety, and she definitely, like I said, has so many different things. She also has Instagram. I follow her on Instagram as well, so make sure you go over there and you check her out on Instagram. She is super sweet, and I just love her content, and I just love her attitude and just the way she just, you know, approaches her channel. I love that as well. So thank you again, girl. Appreciate you so much, sis, for collaborating with me this week. You guys go ahead on, like I said, and go check her out after you check me out. And if you guys decide to share my video, any of my videos on social media platform, go ahead on, text it, share it, send it to a friend. And I want to say this too, Tasha, usually she'll share my stuff. It comes up on YouTube when people share your content, and I've gotten some times where she shared it. So thank you again, girl. But if you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, don't forget to tag me in it. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beautiebymark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.